Hello everyone, welcome to the chemistry class. Today I am going to explain percentage composition, empirical formula and molecular formula. In last video I already discussed about the mole concept. Clear? Now first of all, when we talk about the percentage composition, listen, when we talk about the compounds, compound is the combination of two or more than two elements having definite proportions. Clear? But the approximate percentage of compound is 100%, means the sum of all the elements whose percentage is 100%. Clear? That means when we talk about the percentage of an element in compound, clear, the percentage of an element in a compound, that is equals to mass of that element upon molecular mass multiplied by 100. 500 because it is expressed in percentage. Got it? I would like to show an examples. For example, suppose that find the percentage composition of each element in calcium carbonate. Clear? It is given that the atomic mass of calcium is 40, carbon 12 and oxygen 16. First of all, you have to calculate the molar mass. Molar mass and molecular mass both are same things. Clear? Molar mass. Calcium 40, carbon 12, oxygen 3 oxygen is there. That means 3 into 16. That is 40 plus 12 means 48 is equals to 100 unit. Clear? This is the molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Here, calcium carbonate is a combination of calcium, carbon and 3 oxygen. Now, percentage of calcium. Percentage of calcium means mass of calcium upon molar mass multiplied by 100. Clear? Mass of calcium is 40, molar mass 100 and 100 which are cancelled with each other. That means 40%. Similarly, the percentage of carbon, mass of carbon upon molar mass multiplied by 100. That means carbon 12 upon 100 into 100. That means it is 12%. Similarly, when we talk about the percentage of oxygen is the mass of oxygen upon molar mass into 100 means 16, because of 3 oxygen, 16 multiplied by 3 upon 100 into 100, that means 48%. Here when we talk about the calcium carbonate is a mixture of one calcium atom, one carbon atom and 3 oxygen atom. When we add the percentage of calcium 40%, carbon 12% and oxygen 48%, whose sum is always 100. This is the verification of the elements in a compounds. Clear? Now the next question is, find the percentage of water molecule in washing soda. The chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2. Listen, there are two types of compounds, hydrated salt or anhydrous. Means here, whenever the water is already attached with the salt, that is called hydrated salt. Here, the water molecule exists in the form of crystalline form. Clear? This is called hydrated salt. Got it? Similarly, when any compound in which the water molecule does not exist, that means that salt is called anhydrous salt. Here you have to calculate the percentage of crystalline water molecule. In order to find the percentage of any molecule, any compounds, Then first of all you have to calculate the molar mass of compounds. Clear? Here the atomic mass of sodium 23, carbon 12, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. Clear? Now molar mass: sodium 2 into 23, carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 3, water 10 water molecule plus 10 water molecule, 2 plus oxygen 16. Why 2? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 10. Here 2 hydrogen atoms is here. That means 46 plus 12, 48 plus 6, 2, 16 plus 2, 18. That means 180. When we calculate, it would be 286 unit. Clear? Then the percentage of water molecules in washing soda, that is sodium carbonate 10H2. Clear? Means 10 crystalline water molecule is here. That means 10, and molar mass of each water is 18 upon molar mass of washing soda, that is 286 multiplied by 100. Clear? That means 1812330 upon 286. Now we get approximate 62.9 percentage of crystalline water molecule present in washing soda. Now when we talk about the empirical formula, what is called empirical formula? Empirical formula is a compound which gives the information about the simplest ratio of atoms in a molecules or compound. That is called empirical formula. Clear? For example, like H2O2. H2O2 is a hydrogen peroxide. Clear? It can be written as HO whole twice. Clear? Then H2O2 whose simplest formula is OH while taking common 2. Clear? So its empirical formula is OH. When we talk about C12H22O11, no, when we talk about C6H12O6, here we can take 6 common. Clear? So 6 common, C1, H2 and O1, 6. Clear? Whose simplest formula is CH2. That means its empirical formula is CH2O. Clear? Next example, when we talk about the CH3COOH, it is called acetic acid. First you have to combine all the elements, means it can be written as 4 hydrogen means CH4, listen, 2 carbon atom, that means C2, H4 and O2, which means here 2 can be taken common, means C1, H2, O and 2. Here its empirical formula is CH2, same as glucose, C6H12O6. This is the empirical formula. Empirical formula is a formula which gives the simplest ratio of atoms in a molecule. That is called empirical formula. Empirical formula of a compound depends on the percentage of elements. With the help of percentage, we can calculate the empirical formula. Now, with the help of numerical, I'm going to explain how molecular formula or empirical formula can be calculated. Clear? Listen, the question is, calculate the empirical formula of a compound having composition carbon 26.59%, hydrogen 2.22%, oxygen 71.19%, and also calculate its molecular formula if its vapor density is 45. Clear? In order to calculate the empirical formula, firstly you have to prepare the table. Clear? In first column you have to put elements. Here the elements is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Clear? After that, next column percentage. Carbon is 26.59%, hydrogen 2.2% and oxygen 71.19%. Clear? Now the next is atomic mass. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen that is 1 and oxygen is 16. Clear? In next column, atomic ratio. Atomic ratio is defined as the ratio of percentage and atomic mass. Means here the atomic ratio of carbon means the percentage of carbon, that is 26.59 divided by 12, which is approximate 2.216. Clear? Similarly, the percentage atomic ratio of hydrogen means the percentage of hydrogen 2.22 upon atomic mass 1, that is equals to 2.22. Clear? Similarly, the atomic ratio of oxygen is percentage of oxygen 71.19 upon 16, that is approximate 4.45. Now in next column, simple ratio. Simple ratio is defined as the ratio of atomic ratio with the least ratio, and the least ratio is 2.216. so the each ratio is divided by 2.216. that means when 2.216 divided by 2.216 we get 1. Similarly, 2.22 divided by 2.216, that is approximately 1. Clear? When 4.45 divided by 2.216, which is approximately 2. This is the simple ratio of atoms, means carbon 1, hydrogen 1 and oxygen 2. Now the empirical formula C1H1O2, that is CH2O. This is the empirical formula. How we get the molecular formula? In order to calculate the molecular formula, firstly you have to calculate the empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass is same as the molecular mass. Carbon 12, hydrogen 1 into 2, oxygen 16, means 12 plus 2 1 2 18, that means 30. Clear? Molecular mass. If you want to calculate the molecular mass, the and vapor density is given. Then the molecular mass is equals to 2 times of vapor density, means 2 times, and the vapor density is given 45, that means 90. Clear? Now we use the simple ratio, means n. The value of n is molecular mass upon empirical formula mass. Molecular mass is 90 and empirical formula mass is 30. That means, and the simple ratio means n is equals to 3. Now if you want to calculate the molecular mass is equals to empirical formula into n. And what is the empirical formula? CH2O. CH2O and whole N, and the value of N is 3. Clear? Then each atom is multiplied by 3, that means C3H6O3. This is the molecular formula of compound having percentage composition: carbon 26.59, hydrogen 2.22, and oxygen 71.19 percentage.